Here we have the needle, which carries the thread through the fabric, the presser foot, which keeps the fabric stable when stitching by holding it against the feed dogs, which are here and here. Next we have the presser foot lever, which is right here, and that raises and lowers the presser foot. This part here is called the needle plate, and that supports the fabric and has seam guidelines so you know where your seam allowance should be. And the seam allowance is basically the area of fabric between the edge of the material and the stitching line. Now I have a top drop-in bobbin, not a front-loading bobbin, which some machines do have, and basically your bobbin, which we thread at the top of the machine, will go in there, and it provides the bottom thread that interlocks with the upper thread. Here is an automatic needle threader. You can use this, however, I typically just manually thread my needle. And here is a closer look at that needle plate, the feed dogs, the seam allowance lines, and the inside of your bobbin case.